Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is an eye video and I thought we would have another go with the bite size. I really liked these when I tried them and I only got to use this one time. This is the rose water one. So I thought we'd do it again and see if it turns out different. You never know, right? And we're going to kind of go back to the old style where I would tight line and all, or push line. So we're going to start off with some Essence Eye Base. Just to have a nice, smooth canvas. I saw somebody, I think it was Jessica Braun, use a different eye primer. That was a cheaper one. It was one of her dupes, and I can't remember what it was, but I think I'm going to try something different, because lately it seems like when I've been using this, and then once I blend it, it's like it doesn't really cover as much as I want it to. I mean, I still like it, and I may not like whatever she said, but I was going to try it, but I have to look it up and see what it is again. And then I also recently I tried, or I thought I bought an eyebrow pencil with powder at the other end that you could fill it in with powder, because I love filling my eyebrows with eyeshadow. And I got the wrong thing, because when I went to pull it out, it was like gel, and it was completely the wrong color. It was horrible, actually. It was horrible. It was the Revlon one, and it was horrible. And I'm pretty sure that the one that she said that was pretty good was with the powder in it was Revlon also, but I just picked it up and didn't read it, only to find out it wasn't powder, it was gel. I have a bit of flaky skin here. Oh, there. Perfect. All right, so that's done. Let's go in and let's do our crease. Actually, let's do a transition and all of the lid with this matte color right here. And then I'm going to go in with some Sparkle. More cat hair. Oh no, this is from this brush. Anyways, I'm going to put this all over my lid and then pull it up into transition also. And I remember these glitters, now that I'm thinking about it, actually need liquid to keep them from fall out all over your face. And when you put liquid on something, it doesn't really blend. So this may be the only one I use. Maybe I'll go into another one of the bite-sized palettes and get a color for a crease color, so that I don't have to put glitter in the crease. I'd rather not do that, considering I'm going to have to wet it, and then it would be too bold. I like that. So maybe I will just take, and I'll put a little bit of this lightest color of this one, the shimmer one, and I will spray it. And then I'll just tap it into the center a little bit. And then I'm going to push line. And then I think I'm going to use this dark color for my liner, but not for my push line. For the push line, I'm going to use my Maybelline Tattoo in Deep Onyx gel pencil. And to push line, you just put your little finger on your eyeball lid and you push, and it turns the lash upward, and you can draw right between the lashes without getting too much on your waterline. Because I find that when I get it in my waterline, it always transfers to the bottom lash. And the bottom waterline. I don't want it there. And then I take a flat brush and I just, from the top, wiggle it back and forth to make sure every bit of flesh between my lashes is covered. I also pull it up just a little bit so it makes a bit of a smudgy line, which I'm going to put that other over it, so, but I want it to be smudgy too. But mostly I'm just spreading this out. And then we're going to take a very stiff angled brush and use it in here to make a line with this darkest color. Okay, there you have a beautiful, simple eye look with a $3 palette. All we have left to do is our brows and our lashes. So let's see, for my brows, I'm going to use my Ka-Brow #2. They're starting to get pretty shaggy. I always start my brows kind of in the middle because I don't want to get too much product at either end. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, do my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is our final look for the day. I actually really like this eye look. It's very simple, it's very cheap, and it's very soft and everyday, and I could wear this to work if I went to work. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!